So thank you so much for joining in this meeting. Can I starting our presentation?
Yes, please.
Okay. So my name is Rifat and my friend is Mrs. Tanjila. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh. This is called Freelancing School BD. Okay, and we are providing all type of digital marketing services. This purpose today's meeting topic is about YouTube. You have a great YouTube channel and you want to get more views, get more traffic in your channel. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, you are right. Thank you.
Yeah. So for SEO, we are able to do three type of services. First one is SEO. That means search engine optimization. In this session, we have to edit your title and we have to edit your description and text section, and we have to research for you valuable and searchable keyword. And we have lot of YouTube certified tool, BitIQ and TubeBuddy, and we have this type of lot of YouTube certified tools. Okay, so we are able to do high volume rank attack and keyword. And when we are include this type of keyword, your videos backend, your videos title, description, and text section, then when a audience search on YouTube related to your topic, your niche, then your video will get YouTube top search result. And then you find your audience, your targeted audience. This is SEO. Okay, ma'am. Can you
I'm
have?
with you.
Yeah. So we have another method. This is social media promotion. In this session, we have to copy your videos link and promote by social media. We have a lot of social media site like Facebook, Quora, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Reddit, this type of social media site. We have to promote by using social media. And we have last option. This is YouTube paid campaign. In this session, if you have money, then you can advertise by using Google. But at first we will recommend you can go at first using SEO because it's organic and valuable. Can I share my screen to show you something?
Yes.
Ma'am, this is our agency website. If you search on Google, Freelancing School BD, you will find our agency website and it's me. Okay. If I go our client meeting section, then you can see our lot of previous project and client meeting. This is Bangladeshi American client, and this is UK client, this is Canadian client, and this is also UK client. Okay, and if you go our team section, then you can see our big digital marketing agencies all teammate. And if you go our portfolio section, then you see our previous lot of work. This work YouTube SEO before work and after work. You can see our lot of project. We include our social media. End of the meeting, my girl will send you all of the link, then you can take a look. Now if you have any question, you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
Well, I can't take a look now unless I get settled. I can't take a look at the website now, but I will take a look at it after.
Yeah. You can you want to take a look now?
No, I can't take a look now. I've got my kids around and my hands are really busy now.
Okay, ma'am. Now if you have any question, you can feel free to ask me.
You work on it and what it's looking like after. I think I will see that on your website. Then I also want to know what is the privacy thing is. So how do you get access to people's channel? Do you have to log in with their email? Do they have to give you the details to their channel, or how do you actually get access to do the?
Okay. I think you want to know about channel login access. Am I right?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, I understand your question. Because, ma'am, we do not have you login access like your your email and password because you know it's your privacy. Okay, we do not have. We no need you login access. Okay, as a easy editor and as a manager, as a worker, no need you login access. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, that's okay.
Yeah, my girl, Miss Tangela, will work for you, and you can give him access. Okay, ma'am.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah. Can I talk about our package?
Yeah, well, I think the other person that was sending me email, I don't know if he's a man or a woman, but I got the passage through the email. I got the package details to that email actually. But maybe I'll look at the website and I'll just maybe get back to the person or whatever I decide.
Okay, ma'am. We have two packages available for YouTube SEO. First one is weekly package, and in this package, we have to work with you on 7 days and for 10 videos and complete SEO optimization and including organic promotion. And our weekly budget is 120 US dollar. And also we have another package, and this is monthly package. In a month, we have to do your 30 videos, complete SEO optimization and include organic promotion, and our monthly package cost is 300 US dollar in a month. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, but I recommend you you can choose at first weekly package because ending the week, if you see yes it's working and you getting your result, then you can purchase our monthly package. Okay, ma'am, it's good for you.
Okay, no problem. I'll have a look later and decide.
Yeah, yeah. um, uh, Ma'am, if you give Miss Tangela your WhatsApp number, then he will contact with you easily. It will be better. Can you hear me? Okay. Bye bye.